Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove rust from your gun and how to keep the rust off using a rust remover that's safe on wood, aluminum, metal, plastic. It's safe on everything except rust. Man, that's rusty. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. Your clean, safe, and easy solution for getting rid of rust. Let's get started. Disassemble the gun. Now here's a closer look at some of the smaller parts. Man, that's years of rust. Check this out. The firing pin is seized up. It won't even move. Let's see if just by soaking this gun in some Metal Rescue, if that'll fix the issue. Now I'm going to disassemble the rest of it. I'm going to get these small pieces out here so I can soak them as well. Take a look at this. There's a ton of rust here. Something like this screw would be very difficult to wire brush. And of course, you don't want to introduce acid to any of these parts. Make sure the gun or anything that you're soaking in Metal Rescue is completely clean of any grease or dirt before you submerge it. Alright, step 1, soak it. Wait a minute. A very important fact about using Metal Rescue on your gun. Note, Metal Rescue will remove bluing and oxide coatings from metal. You got to keep that in mind before you submerge your entire gun or part in Metal Rescue. Alright, now let's get back to the action. So pour in Metal Rescue until you completely cover your rusted parts. Yep. Safe on skin. That small plastic tub was perfect for our small parts, but for the barrel and stock, I'm using a PVC pipe. A quick tip for you, make sure you glue the bottom of that cap, folks. And now, just let them soak. This took about 2 gallons to fill up. Again, Metal Rescue is safe on everything, so don't worry about that wood. Alright, step 2, check your part and make sure it's done. It's been about 18 hours. Let's see how we did. Wow. Now that looks clean. Yeah, looks good. Oh yeah, Metal Rescue, it's reusable. 1 gallon will remove up to 1/2 pound of rust. That's a lot of rust. Moving on to step 3. Cleaning after derusting is simple. Metal Rescue doesn't leave any type of residue behind. Dry it off, and once it's dry, you're going to need to protect it. That's it. It's that easy. You're done. Now let's take a look at the smaller parts. It's been about 18 hours. Wow, these small parts look amazing. Quick tip. You know Metal Rescue's working because it darkens in color the more it's used. Now, dry them off, and once it's dry, you're going to need to protect it. Now the best part. Let's take a close look at all of our finished parts. Look at that. The pin, it's unseized. It's working again, just by letting it soak in Metal Rescue. So next time you're looking to remove rust from your gun, or anything, save yourself some time and do it the clean, safe, and easy way. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. It's safe on everything except rust. Thanks for watching.